Today I will be talking about the EF3 tornado. It was May 31st in the year 2013. Tim Samaras, his son Paul Samaras, and Carl Young were killed on Reuter Road in Oklahoma. It was a EF3 tornado. A EF3 danger level scale is 8 to 10, so it's really dangerous, and this is an audio of Team Twistex and their camera getting sucked out of their car into a tornado. In the name of Jesus, I hope this will never happen to anyone ever again. The tornado was called Multiple Vortex El Reno Tornado. Another person died in the same storm. He was called Richard Henderson. 5 reasons why you should not storm chase during a EF3 tornado. 1. Extreme risk of debris missiles. Basically, the EF3 tornado can lift heavy vehicles. 2. Sudden and unpredictable tornado behavior. Basically, the tornado will often change directions and speeds. 3. Fatal threat to vehicles. EF3 can easily lift and toss around vehicles. 4. Impeding emergency operations and local escape. I just can't explain this. 5. Danger from rain-wrapped nature. Violent, just violent. That's all. Suki Chen, Nyan's away.